Can you lower cholesterol without statins? Yes, you can. Medications are effective, but they have clear indications and potential side effects. The truth is, there are natural options that help bring cholesterol down. Some are more promise than reality, but today I'll show you the ones that actually work according to science. Take note. The first is soluble fiber, and in particular, Psyllium husk. You've probably heard that fiber is good for digestion, but its effect goes far beyond that. Soluble fiber forms a kind of gel inside your intestines. This gel traps bile acids, compounds your body makes using cholesterol. When these acids are eliminated through the stool, your liver needs to use more cholesterol to create new ones. That means less cholesterol stays circulating in your blood. Several studies have shown that taking around 7 to 10 grams of soluble fiber a day, especially from psyllium, can lower LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10%. That might sound small, but it's a safe, steady, and cumulative improvement. It also improves blood sugar control and helps you feel fuller, which makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Another key factor for cholesterol. You can find soluble fiber in oats, barley, beans, lentils, apples, and citrus fruits. But if you want a therapeutic dose, psyllium powder is the easiest way. Mix 1 or 2 teaspoons in water once or twice a day, drink it quickly, and make sure you stay hydrated. It's a simple change that can make a real difference. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful natural compounds studied in recent years, berberine. Berberine is a plant alkaloid found in herbs like Berberis aristata and Coptis chinensis. What makes it fascinating is that it works through a mechanism similar to some prescription drugs. It activates an enzyme called AMPK, often described as your body's metabolic master switch. When AMPK is activated, your cells use energy more efficiently, and your liver becomes better at clearing LDL cholesterol from the blood. Berberine also reduces the production of a protein called PCSK9, which normally limits how many LDL receptors your liver can use to remove cholesterol. By lowering PCSK9, berberine allows your body to clear more LDL naturally. Clinical trials have found LDL reductions of up to 25% with consistent use, and that's remarkable for a natural compound. It also tends to lower triglycerides and improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent choice for people with metabolic syndrome or borderline diabetes. The typical dose used in studies is 500 milligrams twice a day, taken with meals. The main side effect, if any, is mild digestive upset in some people at the beginning. But overall, it's one of the most promising natural tools we have for cardiovascular health. Before we move on, if this kind of science-based content helps you understand your health better, take a second to like this video and subscribe. It's free, and it helps the channel reach more people who want real, evidence-backed advice. Let's continue. Another effective option is Plant Sterols, also called phytosterols. These are natural compounds found in plants that resemble cholesterol in structure. Because they look so similar, they actually compete with cholesterol for absorption in your intestines. The result is that less dietary cholesterol gets absorbed into your bloodstream, and your liver compensates by pulling more LDL cholesterol out of circulation. When taken regularly, plant sterols can lower LDL by 7 to 12%, depending on the dose. The best results are seen around 1.5 to 2 grams per day. You can find them in fortified products like certain margarines, yogurts, or dietary supplements. They're safe, well-tolerated, and can be easily added to your daily routine. The only precaution is for people with a rare condition called cytosterolemia, where sterols can build up excessively. For everyone else, they're one of the most reliable natural cholesterol-lowering agents. Now let's talk about bergamot, a citrus fruit native to southern Italy. You may recognize its fragrance from Earl Grey tea, but the extract used in supplements is a concentrated source of bergamot polyphenols, especially compounds that affect cholesterol metabolism. Bergamot appears to act through multiple pathways. It mildly inhibits HMG-CoA reductase, the same enzyme targeted by statins, though without the muscle-related side effects those drugs can cause. It also seems to improve how the liver handles fats and may even influence PCSK9 in a way similar to berberine, enhancing LDL clearance. Clinical studies show that taking standardized bergamot extract, usually 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, can reduce LDL by 15 to 25%, lower triglycerides, and sometimes even raise HDL slightly. It's a safe, natural addition for people who want measurable improvements, but prefer to avoid medication when possible. Just make sure to choose a standardized extract labeled BPF, bergamot polyphenolic fraction, which guarantees consistency and potency. Finally, another science-backed natural ally is fiber from plants rich in sterols and polyphenols, combined with a diet high in vegetables, fruits, and whole foods. Because when all of these work together, fiber, sterols, berberine, and bergamot, you're addressing the problem from different angles: absorption, synthesis, and clearance. But let's make something very clear. While supplements can help, the real foundation for healthy cholesterol is not found in a capsule, it's in your daily habits. Let's start with what you eat. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains provides the natural fiber and antioxidants your body needs to maintain balanced cholesterol levels. When you replace saturated fats, like those in red meat, butter, and many processed snacks, with unsaturated fats from olive oil, avocados, and nuts, your liver naturally produces less LDL and removes more from circulation. One of the best examples of this approach is the Mediterranean diet, which consistently lowers cardiovascular risk. And there's also the Portfolio diet, a plant-based pattern designed specifically to reduce cholesterol. Both have decades of research behind them showing real reductions in LDL and inflammation. Equally powerful is exercise. You don't need to become an athlete. Just move regularly. Exercise improves how your body uses fat for energy, increases HDL, the so-called good cholesterol, lowers triglycerides, and improves the size and function of LDL particles, making them less likely to cause arterial damage. Aim for at least 150 minutes per week of moderate aerobic activity, or about 30 minutes most days, plus a couple of strength training sessions. Even brisk walking after meals can make a difference. The combination of regular movement and a plant-forward diet does more than lower numbers on a lab test. It reduces inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar, and protects your arteries. These changes add up to a healthier heart, a sharper brain, and longer life. Now, before we finish, an important reminder. If you're currently taking medication for cholesterol, do not stop it on your own. Even if you plan to try these natural methods, always consult your doctor first. They can help you track your progress safely, adjust doses if needed, and make sure there are no interactions between supplements and prescriptions. Natural does not always mean harmless, and professional guidance matters. That said, if you commit to these strategies, fiber, berberine, plant sterols, bergamot, a vegetable-rich diet, and regular exercise, you'll be addressing cholesterol in the same ways modern medicine does, but with lifestyle as your first line of defense. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes. And share it with someone who's looking for natural, science-backed ways to improve their health. Lowering cholesterol isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. You have tools, you have evidence, and most importantly, you have control over what you do every day. Start there, and your heart will thank you.